Today look at one more eBay grab bag of avionics scraps from British aircraft. This time it seems it was super cheap on eBay at 4 British pounds or something like this. We will start with here a whole bunch of Sprague capacitors. I did not find similar ones for sale on eBay. Obviously they are sealed capacitors with glass pass-through. I will test them maybe and put them for sale because I do not really need them. But serious old school capacitors. This one is something different, branded Hunt. 600 volts, and a nice interesting case. You can see it is a shell with a slot here. They did include the capacitor itself in it and then close it with a blue potting compound. Interesting. So it is the first bag. We will continue with this one. So in here we have press to test light. We have aircraft grade switches. This shape of switch, I believe, it is written made in England, but I believe I have Soviet made switch with exactly the same shape, so probably it is they did copy this design. Unidentified socket here for something. Push button from the micro switch brand with real micro switches inside. Very clicky. Another one here, obviously missing a part. Broken part of a switch. But I might keep it because if I need a lever, maybe it can be useful. Then this switch, this button, I have a device with the same kind of buttons and it is a video on my channel. Quiz for you, find the video where I show this kind of buttons. And here, first here, some what seems to be some armored buttons, really strong. I have 3 of them. Very short course here on the button, by the way. But they are made of solid aluminium. Looks like the buttons you have on public access equipment. But military markings here, so they must be for maybe for ground equipment with EVD use. And here, probably the most over-engineered and overkill signal light I have ever seen. You have glass lens, but look at this, we have apparently a brass body which is silver coated, and we have ceramic or glass capacities pass through. All this for a light. Quite insane. Very beautiful and heavy thing. Sadly I have only one, but probably the most overkill light you will ever find. Why use silver coated brass on a light? Not sure, but it is what it is. Then we continue with gradually the most interesting stuff. In this bag, apparently a big wire wound potentiometer. dual potentiometer. We have an assembly with some shielded relays and one potentiometer also by AB brand. And the relays actually they are branded here at the back. I'm not sure if you will see them, but there is a round sticker that is written Magnetics Device Limited. And well, your regular shielded relays for aircraft use with nylon stop nuts at the back. We have one random potentiometer. And we have this thing. Actually, I am quite happy because I have some of them in an equipment, the one flight controller. I have a video about it somewhere, and I have a lot of these mag mod. They are, I believe, synchro drivers, something to drive synchros. And I was not able to open them because the other piece of equipment is in good condition, but here we have old one. So I will open this one and have a look inside. I believe it is some kind of a transformer design, but it is written, it is a patented circuit, date code of 1963. I did a probe with a drill, and apparently we have a very thick steel case, but after this it is more or less hollow with maybe a foam filling inside, but it is not hard putting compound at least. So if I manage to cut open this case, we will be able to see the inside, but the case is really strong. Okay. We continue with this bag. 2 or 3 different models of devices from different brands. So these are the same thing. We have thermal time relay. This one is made by Coventry Control in Great Britain, but this one is made by GV Controls Incorporated in Livingston, New Jersey. So US made and British made. Copy of the same equipment. I will probably select the worst one and cut it open to see what there is inside. Exactly. So I have a number of them. I have smaller things here, regular relays, it seems. These ones are branded air packs. Each time you have the little schematic on top of it. Air packs also. And here we have Claire Elliott one, quite similar to the ones we have on here. Actually it is the same, almost the same size, but not the same shape. Okay, and we will end with the last bag, in which we have 4 of these other bigger model of shielded relay. Filters Incorporated, Portland, Washington. This one is really dirty, so probably I will, if I open one, I will open this one. So about these cable sleeves here, I am not sure, but I wonder if it is not, it is either glass wool or asbestos. Seems to be glass, but I will be careful with them and not disturb them too much. And we have the most interesting things, at least for the manufacturing logo. So this one is a sensitive relay by Electronic Specialty Company, Portland, Oregon. Apparently you can see a brass body on this thing. Here we have the same thing, but with maybe the best manufacturer logo I have ever seen, and brand name also, Iron Fireman Manufacturing Company. Quite with a little fireman. Look at this, really nice logo. They are both made in Portland, so did the same model number almost. So did they change their name at some point? But this is really nice. Sadly the paint is a little bit damaged here, but really nice logo. Okay, so it is all for this little parcel. It was very cheap, so I had to take it, in particular because I was interested by the mag mod, in fact, for opening it. But some random parts are always good to get. So thanks for watching, bye bye.